SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Sharplink stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in the stock trading space myself that has done 43,000 videos, I've seen what's printing and what's not. I mean, generally even speaking with this thing here, look at this, like let's pull up here. Here's a proof that, you know, when I actually cut it out when it was like 32 bucks, and I was very open-minded to taking it even higher. It was like 29th of May. And this is like such a crazy good delivery, bro. Like it was 330 bucks. Took it, I was only aiming for like 54-ish bucks, you know what I mean? And then it just absolutely went to around 122. And notice how I was still open-minded here to like potentially buying. And actually I still am, because this is still a demand zone. But the only thing that's going to make me buy is a proper double break. And if I do not get that, then I guess this is not going to be a thing that I'm going to be buying. And that's how it's actually going to look like for me. Obviously, it's not financial advice, so make sure to stay tuned because I'll keep you updated. And if you want to get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.